Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an image slider in Webflow. To begin, navigate to the Elements panel and drag a slider component onto your canvas. Next, simply drag and drop your chosen images directly into the individual slide containers. You can then easily adjust the slider's dimensions, such as its width and height, using the Style panel on the right. This foundational step sets up the core structure for your dynamic image display. Once your basic slider is in place, dive into the slider settings to fine-tune its behavior. Here, you can enable or disable autoplay and set the duration for each slide transition, perhaps to 3 seconds. You also have full control over the navigation elements, choosing to show or hide the arrows and slide dots. Furthermore, you can customize their colors, sizes, and positions to perfectly match your website's aesthetic. After a card has been selected and returned, you often need to shuffle the deck without disturbing its order. This is where a false shuffle comes in handy. We'll explore a basic method that appears to thoroughly mix the cards, but in reality, it keeps your key card exactly where you want it. The trick is to make your movements look natural and unhurried. Consistent practice will ensure your false shuffle is undetectable, adding to the mystery of your performance. Finally, it is crucial to ensure your image slider looks fantastic on every device. Use Webflow's responsive design tools to check its appearance on desktop, tablet, and mobile breakpoints. Thoroughly test the slider's functionality across these different views to guarantee a seamless user experience. Once you are satisfied, publish your website to see your beautifully crafted, fully responsive image slider live for the world to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.